Hello friends, so the ZkSync era airdrop checker is now live, and before we move on to that, let us discuss the tokenomics with regards to ZK token over here. So as you can see, this initial airdrop is like 17.5%, and this is with no lockups. That means you would be able to sell your ZK tokens once you receive it after a token generation event. And with regards to other distribution, as you can see, around 67% would be passed on to the community over here. If you check this chart over here, as you can see, there are this ecosystem initiatives which is like around 20%, and token assembly is around 30%. Now I'm not sure whether this would include grants or not, but we'll need to check in the future whether this would include grants or not. And over here, as you can see, the team and investors will keep around 33.3% of the overall supply. Now, if we go ahead and check the number of wallets that are eligible for this ZK airdrop, as you can see, around 700,000 wallets are eligible. So that means less than 10% of the overall wallets are eligible for this ZK airdrop over here. Now, I have received a small amount of ZK tokens. I've went ahead and checked it on my main wallet over here. It's not much, but still I'm happy with the airdrop. I got more than 5,000 ZK tokens. Now, with regards to airdrop, they had mentioned this criteria where like there are two ways to qualify for the 17.5% airdrop. The first one being ZkSync users who have transacted on ZkSync and met the threshold of the activity. Now we don't know what was the threshold of any activity as such, and also 11% for the contributors, which is individual developers, researchers. Now I know few people have received around 100,000, because 100,000 is the maximum cap with regards to getting the ZK tokens. Now still I personally feel that this should be one of the biggest airdrop ever. Now we don't know what would be the valuation. Let's wait and watch what would be the price of a single ZK token once it's launched on the different centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange. Now this is the official checker of ZkSync over here, which is claim.zknation.io. I will leave this link in the description so that you can go ahead and check your allocation. Now you don't need to connect your wallet, only you can put in your address or your GitHub username over here, and then you would be able to go ahead and check how many ZK tokens you have received. So I will just show you the example of my burner wallet, which is not eligible. So as you can see, you simply have to paste your address over here, click on check over here. So as you can see, unfortunately this address is not eligible for the airdrop. Now all the information with regards to the claim and the different announcement and docs can be found on ZK Nation Twitter over here. And as you can see, there is a sell the news event over here, and all the meme coins and all the altcoins are down by like 15, 20 or 50%, you can say. So basically this is sell the news, and luckily I sold most of my holdings in meme coins. I'm still at a very good profit, to be honest, on altcoins on ZkSync. And what I will do is like since there is this major correction, I might go ahead and buy a few more meme coins and maybe some altcoins. I will make a small investment more. So like even if this goes like 5x or 10x, it's a decent profit for me. And if we go ahead and check the price of Libertas Omnibus, as you can see, it has fallen down drastically after the news. Now it's only trading around $24.8 or so. So overall, I personally feel that I'm not sure about it yet, but this should be a decent airdrop. Let's wait and watch what the price of ZK would be, and hopefully you guys got a decent allocation. And please leave a comment as to how many ZK tokens you have received. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.